at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? On today's vid, I'm on the Ultra. Merry late Christmas. But in today's video for Christmas, I got this new camera and it is crazy. It's a DJI Action 4. Bro, the quality is insane. It's crazy. So let's post the bike up. Wait, right here. Bro, check that quality out. Holy, it looks good. So, let's hop back on the bike. Put my helmet back on. So I'm gonna practice some no hands right now. Oh, new hoodie, go check it out. Go check out Void. Go use discount code Ben's Lowriders for the Void hoodie. Go check them out. New extra wide PEV, I just found it. Holy, you guys gonna see all the no hands. Switch the camera angle. I'm back. Got a good little session in. Did some hand drags. Did some no hands. I've gotten better at no hands. I figured out a spot where to put my foot, which really helped. Oh, and since I got a new 3D printer and it works super good, what should I print? I'm thinking about printing like a nice CNC version of this. But let me know what else you guys think I should print. I printed a horn cover for the Light Bee, and I'm printing something super sick. I'll show you guys later when I show you guys what I got. What else does this really need? Oh, I did order some new parts. They should be here in like the next week or two. New CNC battery guards, new nice square pegs, like the prickly pegs. And some other stuff, but that should be here soon. I'm gonna head back, but I'm gonna keep filming. It's still early, it's like 1, so I'm gonna go charge a little and then ride later. I got a new Peak hoodie for Christmas. I got the GoPro, the 3D printer, and a little toolbox to go on the side of like my bed to put stuff in. It was nice, and some writing gloves, and a new desk. I got a new moto brake on the Lightbee. I bought it like 2 weeks ago, and it got here like 3 days ago. And then I already had the rotor. It's a 250 millimeter Ripon Moto rotor. So I got it partially installed. I'm waiting for the mount to come, and then I'll put it on, bleed it. I'll film all of it. Then we'll go test it, and I'll 3D print some stuff for the Lightbee too. Let me know how you guys like the new camera, and let me know if it sounds better, looks better, and all that. This one, I can actually color grade it, so it'll look a lot better. But I'm also, so this video, it's gonna look good. But in the next few videos, I'm gonna get an ND filter and put custom settings on the camera, then color grade and all that. So the videos are gonna start looking 10 times better. And I'll probably invest in a mic, since these allow a secondary mic. My old camera did not allow a secondary mic. I don't know why. Because it was a newer one, but it was a mini one. And I could see a lot better. Like, compared to this one being bigger and being more in my eyes, the other one would be less in my eyes, but this one has a lot more upgrades, so I'd rather it be in my eyes a little than have bad quality and bad mic. But let me know what you guys think. Code 3. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Peace out.
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't none